Drag and drop editor makes creating your email campaign content incredibly easy. In the content section, you can choose from a number of different content blocks, including title, text, button, divider, image blocks, social media icons. Any of the blocks can be added to your message by simply dragging and dropping it. A field with a dashed line will appear. It indicates where this element will be dropped when you let go of the mouse button. Use functional buttons on a block to change its placement in the message. Edit the contents and parameters of this specific block. Duplicate. Delete. Or change the layout. Each block has its own editing window. Here, you can edit and change contents for this specific block. For deeper editing, click the Settings tab. Here you can change the color, padding, and other elements of the specific block. If you need to use images in your message content, click on Browse and select an image to upload from your computer. The image will be saved in your image gallery for instant or for future use. If required, edit the image with inbuilt image editing tools. New image will be automatically saved in your image gallery, as well as applied to your message.